We're going to be updating my Samsung G6 Odyssey, and right now we have the flash drive with the new update 1004.2, which came out a few days ago. We're going to go to the settings. We got the press the button in the back. Go to the menu. Go to support. Go to software update. And now it's searching for updates. And it's found it. You see, my previous version was 1003.2, and now we have the new version 1004.2. Gonna press OK. Okay, while this is updating, Samsung does not release the change logs for their firmware. And from what I can find online about the changes, some are found from the Swedish Samsung website. And it says that there is improved smoothness, especially if your monitor is the 360 hertz. You should see the refresh rates are refreshing properly after the update. Then there was the automatic input switching. It says there was an attempt was made to fix the problem where if you had multiple PCs, you had to manually switch inputs after the monitor woke up from standby. So supposedly that has been fixed. Then they reduced the variable refresh rate flicker. So you should see less flickering, but they also say that it is the results may vary. And they updated the information tab where you should see that the variable refresh rate is active and also shows the current resolution and maximum refresh rate. I know for sure that the maximum refresh rate and the screen resolution was there from the last update. But I don't know if I remember seeing if the variable refresh rate and the other setting was there or not.